it's also important to consider and take into consideration the face shapes. The face shape determines whether or not you can have a short haircut or a long haircut. You want to make sure that the haircut will fit each face shape. You have to take into consideration that if someone has a round face shape, you will not do a short haircut. There are 7 face shapes: diamond, inverted triangle, round, oval, oblong, triangle, and a square face. You have to take into consideration all 7 face shapes when you're doing a haircut. Like I said, with a round face, you do not want to give your client a pixie cut because it's going to show off their fat cheeks, and many of them refer to them as having fat cheeks. So you'd want a long haircut, and also to take into consideration that each face shape is different. But the ideal face shape is an oval face shape. It's shaped like an egg, and that's what everyone wants their face to look like. However, we all can't look like that, so we use hair as another way to camouflage and create an oval shape. So if the client has a round face, we will then use the hair to cover up most of the face so it's not as fat looking, and the hair will come and fall and cover most of the face. So it'll take out some of the bigness, large face that the client thinks that they have. So the ideal face shape is oval, and we would want to create that with the hair. We can also tease the hair. We can also backcomb the hair so that it's higher on the top, and that way you can create height. We can also do that on the sides. If someone has a long face, we can create hair on the side so that the face looks oval. So once again, when you're cutting, you have to keep face shapes in mind, because that will determine whether or not the client will like the end result or not.